Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up reminders in Google Calendar. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a calendar application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you download and install Google Calendar? You can get it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. And in the search bar, go ahead and type Google Calendar and follow through with the prompts to install and download. Now, after downloading, click on open and it's going to take you right into this homepage. Now, if you already have Google activated in your phone, signing up is going to be hassle-free because your account is going to be automatically created. So once you click on open, it takes you to your homepage, everything all set for you. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to set up reminders in Google Calendar. Now, for you to set up reminders in Google Calendar, it means you have to create a task. Now, from this home page, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you have the plus icon. Click on that. You have the task and you have events. Now, click on task. So once you click on task, you have to add a title for these tasks. So let's say work. Work is my task, so this is recurring. You can send to recurring, that's all day, or you can toggle that off and add the time that you want this task to be. All right, so this is the date, so you can set the date. I set the date to 28, which is tomorrow, and you can set the time as well. So let's say the time for work should be okay, let's say 1 p.m. and I say okay. So does not repeat. If you want to repeat, just click on that and you can repeat every day, every week, every month, every year, or just customize it. Then you can add details if you want to add more details. So let's say this is the time and I want you to repeat every day, and after that just proceed to click on save. And once you click on save, it says creating the repeating task, and you see the task has been of course set to this. So every day work at that particular time. So you can, going back to my calendar right now, you can click on that and click on that work, and you see that work repeats daily, and you can delete it if you want to delete the task. All right, so deleting all tags, so just click on that and that tag has been deleted. So that's pretty much it. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.